Hello and welcome to the attic bonus room at 1421 East Marlowe. That's in Indianapolis, Indiana, 46201. This home is in the popular Holy Cross neighborhood. Legal definition is Arsenal Park. It's also near Highland Park and Woodruff Place. This is a beautiful street where most of the homes have already been restored or renovated. It's a quiet neighborhood. People walk their dogs on the street. This is a 3-story home, including this story. This neighborhood is minutes from downtown, including Fountain Square, downtown, the popular Bates Hendricks neighborhood, and the Old South Side. This bonus room is very large. It can be used as a bedroom, a playroom, an office, crafting room, any purpose you choose. It is a true bedroom because it has a nice, big, huge walk-in closet. This would be a little kid's dream. Let's go downstairs and take a look at the 2 bedrooms that are on the main floor. This home is 3,377 square feet. 1,400 of that is on the 2nd and 3rd floor. It's on the market today, the 13th of June, 2022, for $519,900. For more information, call 317-752-8622. This floor has luxury vinyl plank flooring, which is impervious to water, doesn't scratch easily, and is very easy to take care of. This is one of 2 master suites in the home. It's a very large master bedroom. There's also a master bedroom on the 1st floor, and it has an ensuite bath as well. This is great for folks who want their master bedroom to be upstairs, who need to be closer to kids, or they just like to be up off of the ground for privacy. This master suite has a large walk-in closet here. These closets have not already been finished because the developer would like to finish them to suit you. This home has been completely renovated with nearly everything new. That is an original window. There is a wonderful mixture of original character and modern amenities, like these vinyl thermal windows. There's lots of recessed lighting, high ceilings. The home is very light and bright, and it has some period light fixtures as accents. This has an ensuite bath with a wonderful step-in tiled shower. Comfort height vanities, high-end custom cabinetry, a modern fixture, and a nice big window. This home will have a semi-annual tax of only 1,821 square feet. Despite its fantastic location, the property taxes are reasonable here. It's a large hallway with a linen closet that again will be built to suit. This is a fantastic closet. Great place for your luggage, your vacuum cleaner, golf clubs, and other sporting equipment. Here's the 4th bedroom. Remember, there's one on the main floor. This has the neat character of the architecture. It's a large bedroom. It has a big walk-in closet that will be finished to suit. This home will stay evenly heated and cooled because it has a new furnace, new air conditioner, it has a new water heater, new plumbing and electrical. This is the hall bath that would serve the upstairs bedroom and this one. High-end comfort height cabinetry. The mirrors will be put in to suit the buyer. And here's your tub. Everybody should have at least one tub in their home. if not for personal use, then for resale. This is a nice two-piece tub system. The surround is made out of vinyl, which is for easy cleanup and maintenance. This floor is 1,402 square feet. There will be a 484 square foot garage. There will be a 712-foot cellar. That's not a renovated basement. That's a cellar to go to for tornadoes and to house the mechanicals. This is a neat original feature. It has this neat window in the stairwell for natural lighting. The staircase is original, and you've got the high-end luxury plank vinyl flooring downstairs. The downstairs is 1,300 square feet. Beautiful original solid wood door. That's tiger oak. Here's a neat original feature. And otherwise, the home has been totally renovated. It's modern, it's large, it's light and bright, it's open and neutral, and it's ready for your personality and your special touches to accent some of the gorgeous antique features like the exposed brick and the modern new features like this new kitchen. Custom brand new cabinetry, hard surface matte finish, top of the line countertops. All the appliances are included except washer and dryer. And you have 2 laundry rooms, one at the back of the house on the way to the garage, and one here in this downstairs master suite. This closet can have a washer and dryer as well. So this is 1421 East Marlowe Avenue. On 6/13/22, this is priced at $519,900. En suites upstairs and on the first floor. Step-in full tiled showers upstairs and downstairs. And a 2-car garage built just for you. Please call 317-752-8622 for more information on this gorgeous Holy Cross home.